Hey, dude. Have you heard of Crash Rover?
Faux show, they be rocking like nobody's business. Yo, and I'll be the first one in line for their CD release party.
CD release party? When is that?
September 24th at the Curtain Club.
The Curtain Club. Where is that?
2800 Main Street in Dallas. Not to mention, Echo of Insanity, Bulletproof Alibi, and Redefine will also be rocking the house that night.
Wow. That sounds like an awesome show. But, where do I get tickets?
Well, you can pay at the door. But if you hit up one of the guys in the band, they'll get you a ticket, and the first 50 guests to arrive with a ticket for Crash Rover will be given a complimentary CD. Also, they are inviting all of the ladies to wear their hottest southern swagger, Daisy Dukes and cowboy boots. They will be giving a special prize to the lady with the best outfit. You could win.
So, September 24th, at the Curtain Club, at 2800 Main Street in Dallas, for the Crash Rover CD release party with Echo of Insanity, Bulletproof Alibi, Redefine. Dude, I am so there.
Doors open at 8 o'clock. Ampersand tickets are only $10. Ampersand, remember, the first 50 with a ticket get a complimentary CD. So, don't be a loser. Hit up one of the Crash Rover guys and get a ticket. So, where are you going?
Going to hit up a Crash Rover dude for my ticket. Fool.
But, I thought...
You thought wrong, dude. See ya at the Curtain Club.